There's an event going on tomorrow that I want to go to, but I want to empty out this water in my car, and I need to put some oil in my car. I think there's been an oil leak, but I don't see any oil or anything at the bottom, so I need to look for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and get ready for tomorrow. To be honest, I really should have put this stuff in my car a long time ago, but I ran into a small water problem, so I replaced the old coolant ball with the aftermarket overflow, and got new hoses and everything. So I believe G13 is the name of it. It's like a pinkish color radiator fluid. So let's get this water dumped out. So just in case you have a Volkswagen and you want to empty out the water in your car, if you go down to this side of your car, there is a small plug right in there, and if you pull that plug out, all the water will pretty much leak out of your car. Start this over. Alright, dope. That's all squared away now. All good. Everything's great. Now, UPS just dropped off my socket set. I ordered this amazing socket set. Since I've been working on, well, since I ain't gonna say working on, but since I've had a Volkswagen now, I find myself needing all different type of sockets. So I went and ordered one of these dope little socket sets, and it's supposed to come with a couple different T-sockets in it, which I'm pretty excited for. Check that out. Got a bunch of new sockets now. Focus. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty dope. So I'm pretty excited about that.
You're chasing her.
Nah.
She was like, get away, get away.
I guess that is going to conclude today's video. I did get the oil in there, and the radiator fluid is now in there. No more water is in the car. Pretty excited about that. And yeah, so I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day. If you made it this far, you're super awesome. But check this out, I'm super excited about this. This is my first plant that I am growing in water, and it's pretty cool. I've never grew a plant in water before, but check this out. I finally got the seed to pop. Check that out. There it is, little seed coming out of there. That is so dope. But yeah, that is grown in straight water, no soil. I don't have have a top. This is just this piece of cardboard right here, but that is pretty dope right there. So yeah, if you guys made it this far, you're super awesome. Remember to like the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.